रामविलास पासवान जी का बेटा हूं, शेर का बेटा हूं। जैसे पापा कभी नहीं डरे थे, ऐसे ही मैं भी नहीं डरूंगा।
Meet Chirag Paswan, son of Bihar's tallest Dalit leader Ramvilas Paswan, who once started at an uncertain political future and now he is a minister in the Narendra Modi cabinet.
मैं चिराग पासवान ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा।
He's come a long way, and in this video let's take a look at his political journey. Back in 2020, Chirag found himself at a crossroad facing the daunting task of leading his party, the Lok Jan Shakti Party, after the untimely demise of his father, Ramvilas Paswan. Chirag took a brave decision to go it alone in the polls despite being a part of the NDA. In the 2020 Assembly elections, he took a bold stand challenging the incumbent Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and fielding candidates against his own alliance partners. This had a massive impact on the polls as the JDU was reduced from over 70 seats in 2015 to just 43 in 2020. But the path ahead was fraught with challenges. Internal rifts tore the party apart, with Chirag's own uncle, Pashupati Kumar Paras, breaking away to form a rival faction. Pashupati Paras walked away with 4 of the 6 LJP MPs and joined the Modi government. Overnight, Chirag was left isolated as he was not only out of the NDA but even the party symbol going to the Paras faction. On June 14, 2021, a day after the split in the LJP, Paras's claim of being the chief of the LJP's parliamentary board was accepted by the lower house. Despite these setbacks, Chirag kept reiterating his loyalty to Narendra Modi.
और मुझे प्रधानमंत्री जी की तस्वीर का इस्तेमाल करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। मैं उनका हनुमान हूँ, मेरे दिल में उनकी तस्वीर बसती है। किसी दिन होगा तो छाती चीर के भी दिखा दूंगा कि मेरे दिल में मेरे प्रधानमंत्री बसते हैं।
A senior BJP leader said that BJP had to side with Paras for political calculations then. However, the BJP never shut its doors to Chirag and kept him humoured. Meanwhile, Chirag hit the ground with his Ashirwad Yatra in Bihar and demonstrated that Dalit voters consider him the true heir to Ramvilas ji. And then Prime Minister Narendra Modi wrote a touching letter to Chirag and he formally returned to the NDA in 2023.
I need BJP as much as BJP needs me, and that goes for all the allies, and that's why we are in an alliance. So it's not like feeding on someone else and growing on someone else. It's like growing mutually together. That should be the target. I mean, at least I believe that should be the target.
मैं चिराग के लिए इसलिए नहीं आया कि उसको मुझे जिताना है, वो तो जीतने वाला ही है। मैं यहां आया हूं रामविलास जी का कर्ज चुकाने के लिए। चिराग जब पहली बार पार्लियामेंट में आए तो मैं तो इतना ही जानता था रामविलास जी के बेटे हैं, लेकिन मैं देखता था उनके व्यवहार में रामविलास जी के बेटे होने का गुरूर का नामो निशान नहीं था।
Chirag Paswan has turned his political fortunes around by winning all the 5 seats his party contested in Bihar, and he has not only delivered for himself but also for the alliance in Bihar, where it has won 3/4 of the state's 40 seats.